Butter. It's one of those ingredients that I just can't live without. I use it often in my cooking, and I want to show you how to make clarified butter. So use a good quality Australian certified organic butter. I'm just going to take it out of its wrapping and we're going to heat it up in a pot. That's as simple as it is when it comes to clarified butter. So let's add about half of this block. We'll cut that and then just into smaller cubes just so it melts evenly, and that goes into the pot. We'll just turn the heat on, and you want this on a medium to low heat. You don't want it to be quite hot. The aim here is just to gently melt the butter and separate the milk solids. So the milk solids is what burns in the pan. So by removing that, we're left with that liquid gold. What do you use that liquid gold for? Well, it's fantastic for making sauces like béarnaise sauce. It stabilizes it and it gets to that really nice high smoke point. So let's wait for that to melt. I'm going to show you how to separate the milk solids from the rest of the butter. So after a few minutes, this is what it's going to look like. You'll notice that there's a thin white film on the top, and then sometimes you'll see the milk solids drop to the bottom of the pan. So all it is removing these milk solids. By removing them, we've got a perfect stable butter ready for your next béarnaise sauce or to pop in the pan at a higher heat. Essentially, by removing those milk solids, we're making the butter less fragile.